Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions, alright? So, a little bit of backstory before we jump into this. If you guys and gals check out my most recent update video, I told you guys in that video what y'all can expect from the channel moving forward. Everything from the Pixel 2 XL, which I reviewed, to all the way up to we're going to be doing a full conversion to Android for everything on the channel. Well, this right here is the next step in that Android for everything process, all right? This is the Amazon Fire 10 HD tablet right here, okay? And in particular, this is the 2019 variant of the tablet right here, okay? And what I'm gonna do with this is I picked this up from Amazon because I'm just looking for a decently performing tablet that will let me do multimedia. So, you know, watching my Netflix, my Hulu, all that good stuff, as well as general video editing, which is basically what I do for my videos on the channel. I try not to do too much heavy editing. I might add some annotations and things of that nature and corrections and some music and a few transitions, but that's about it. So I'm picking this tablet up here today and I'm gonna try and use it from those aspects. So this will be the primary editing machine for the channel moving forward. All right. And along with that, this will also give me the ability to finally put my stylus pen to full use. Again, shout out to Gigi, aka Gadget Goddess, for this recommendation. I'll link her channel down below in the video description. Y'all need to check her out. She's doing some nice quality work over there. But that's my whole reasoning behind picking up this tablet. And y'all know I am an Amazon Prime subscription member, so I was actually able to pick this bad boy up on the Amazon Prime payment program for $51 and change out the door. And for the next 4 months, I will be making payments of $38 a month for the next 4 months, bringing this to a grand total of just over $200. I believe the full total was $203 and change for this bad boy y'all see on the table. That being said, I was looking at some of my older videos last night and I noticed that the last variation of this that I reviewed was the 2017 variant. So y'all let me know down below in the comments, do y'all want to see another full review on the next generation of that tablet? If y'all comment yes, I'll put it through the review process. If y'all comment no, this will be the only video you guys and gals see. So I'm really determined, based on your feedback will determine what type of coverage y'all see on this device moving forward. All right, so I pretty much went through the usual here. I cut all the tapes and plastics. I went through the initial setup process here, and then I powered off the tablet and I charged it up to 100% and I boxed it back up so you guys and gals could see the full unboxing experience here. Okay, so y'all can see this is the overall packaging here. So you can see in terms of packaging, Amazon always does a really good job with their products. So again, you can see this is the Fire HD 10 tablet, and this is the 64 gigabyte variant, as you can see right there. And the reason why I went with this size is because I wanted a bigger canvas to edit my videos. So this is the 10.1 inch 1080p variant of the tablet, and this bad boy has 2 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of onboard storage, as well as a micro SD card slot, which means I can expand the memory up to, I believe it's 2 terabytes, but I'm gonna put a 128 gigabyte card in here. Okay, and along with that, this is rocking a updated MediaTek processor. This is rocking an octa-core processor on board. All right, so good stuff there. And this is also packing a 6300 milliamp hour battery with Type-C. So finally, they added Type-C to their products. Finally, one cable to rule them all, USB Type-C, all the things. That's what I'm talking about. But the overall packaging and presentation is really nice, as you can see. Flipping it to the side, again, we just got the same branding there. Flipping it to the back, we got a little bit more information here. but pretty much everything we already went over. And it does have dual speakers on board. I forgot to mention that, with Dolby Atmos. So really good stuff there. And another thing that I did, I went through the initial setup, and I also real quickly installed the Google Play Store, all right? Because out of the box, with your Amazon products, you have access to the Amazon App Store, and that's it. And for what I was trying to do with this tablet, I needed access to a more wider variety of applications. So I went ahead and I loaded up the Google Play Store on here, which literally took me like 5 minutes. And I'll provide links to how you do that down below in the video description for y'all to check out if you picking this bad boy up, or pretty much any new variation of this tablet. Those steps will work. So check out the links down below in the video description. All right, so good stuff. Really nice presentation. Let's crack into this box and show you guys some more things about it. Let's go. So popping this here. Boom. All right. Then we just got to slide the tablet out here. If I do it right. Okay, that was upside down. So slide it out from here. All right. And again, I really like Amazon's presentation here. So we have the tablet, we have some documentation, quick start guides and booklets, along with the USB Type-C to Type-A cable and the 9-watt charging brick. Now, in particular, the USB Type-C port on this tablet here does support fast charging of up to 15 watts. And this in particular is USB-C with USB Type 2 support on board. But they do provide a 9-watt charger out of the box. Now, I probably will never use it because I have 15-watt chargers that I use on the regular. But it is nice to see that they provide all the accessories out of the box. So let me just show you real quickly. Put the tablet down right here. And let's crack into this box with the accessories. Try not to mess it up. Okay, it opens from the side here. And as I said, got our USB-A to USB Type-C, as you can see right there. Alright, and we also have, which is, you open it from the other side, our charging brick and our booklets. So you can see this bad boy is your 9-watt charging brick. Let me show you real quick. So you can see right there. Hope that's nice and clear for y'all. Alright, so 9 watts. Now, if it's unclear, I'll throw up a picture of it in post, as I always do. Alright, then we just have all of our booklets and things of that nature. So, again, your Amazon booklets for the tablet. And that's about it. Let me throw these booklets back in here. Okay, and throw this off to the side. And really nice high quality cables, if I must say so myself. But again, we probably won't use these. So you can see USB-A right there to USB Type-C right there. Really good to see that. Throw this off to the side. Already showed y'all the power brick here with the really nice Amazon branding on it. Okay, it's kind of reflective, hard to see. And then we have the tablet itself. So let's crack into this. Alright, and another neat thing about this tablet that I forgot to mention is it does support the 3.5mm aux jack on board. Alright, so I really do like the fact that they kept pretty much everything that you need in terms of the tablet. Okay, so let me just show y'all real quick. Up at the top here, or the side, depending on how you're holding it, we have the power button, the USB Type-C charging cable. I would have preferred to see this at the bottom, but it is what it is. A microphone hole, the 3.5mm aux jack, so you could plug in wired headphones or microphones if you want to record with this. Don't record with this. It has a 2-megapixel camera on the front and a 2-megapixel camera on the rear. Do not record with this. These are not good cameras, okay? And then flipping it over to the other side, you can see our speakers. So we got bottom firing dual speakers, so one here and one there. Okay, good stuff. Coming back over this way, we do have a port for our micro SD card slot right there. Okay, really good stuff. Now I'm gonna drop a card in there after the video, but that's pretty much it. Flipping it over to the back, we got the FCC information, a little bit of Amazon branding here, and as y'all can see, I went with that baby blue or that sky blue. This is one of my favorite colors if y'all didn't know. So really good stuff. Real quick walk around. Now let's power this bad boy up. Okay, there we go. Amazon splash screen. And now I did get the one with the Amazon ads because that kind of brought the price down. But if you wanted to pick this up without the ads, that's going to run you a little bit more on the payment program. But here y'all go. Y'all can see it booted up relatively quickly. And you can see we do have 100% charge right here. So we swipe up to get in. And you can see I did already install the Play Store on board on this device. And then I just put all the applications that come on this bad boy into one nice folder. So you can see all the applications that come on the tablet here. So the Silk browser, the Amazon App Store, Prime Video, Free Time, Amazon Books, the Kindle app, Audible for your audiobooks, another Kindle app there, Amazon Photos, Amazon Games, Goodreads, Offers, Email, Calendar, Camera, Documents, Contacts, Maps, Clock, Weather, Help, Settings, Files, Amazon Music, and Amazon Shopping, along with the Alexa application, because this does have onboard microphones, so you can use it with Alexa, and Wash Post. I'm not sure what Wash Post is, but that's all the apps that came on this bad boy out of the box. And then I did sideload the Google Play Store. All right, and just to show y'all, let me jump into the settings here and show y'all the storage. Whoops, wrong one. So just so y'all can see in terms of the storage, now I apologize, it's a little bit hard to see and it's very reflective, but this is the 64 gigabyte variant, and out of the box after initial setup, we have 55.25 gigabytes free out of 57.29. Okay, so as always with the Android operating system, the system does take a few gigabytes off the top, so that's what we have available out of the box, and we can expand it with a micro SD card. All right, so good stuff there. And in particular, in terms of the software, we are running Android 9.0 with Amazon's custom UI on top. So this is Amazon OS 7.1.2. So this is the 9th generation of the Amazon Fire 10 tablet. Okay, just so y'all know that information there, and that's information that you need to know when you're sideloading the Google Play Store. All right, so good stuff there. Okay, just wanted to make sure y'all know that. Now when you sideload the Google Play Store, you do also want to go in here and you want to make sure unknown sources is checked in here, so you can download applications from the web, and then you follow along with the process. I'll link up down below in the video description. But that's pretty much it, y'all. So as y'all can see, I haven't even installed any apps yet. Now I did sign into the Play Store, and it is the full Play Store here, and I did check and see if I could find the apps that I need. So KineMaster or KineMaster, this is my editor of choice, and I can install it. So I'm going to go ahead and install it now right there, and then I'll go ahead and install the rest of my media applications, so Netflix, all that good stuff, and that's what I'm going to be using this tablet for moving forward. Okay, so good stuff there. A few other tips: if you do decide to sideload the Play Store, you do need to remove the micro SD card from the tablet before you follow along with the steps. Okay, because if you do not, when you're following along with the steps and you have the micro SD card in, it may potentially try to install the applications to the micro SD card, and you don't want that. Okay, so y'all can see it downloaded the app. Let's open it up here real quickly. Y'all can see it's asking me for permission here. So we're gonna hit allow, and it's going through the initial setup. And I gotta tell y'all, with this big screen on here, editing is gonna be a breeze. All right, so good stuff indeed. It wants me to run the analysis to see just how good this tablet will perform, but we'll do that later. Okay, cancel, and we're ready to go. So now I can officially start editing on this tablet, and more importantly, I can do so with this pen right here. So good stuff, and you see the pen does work. Good stuff there. Now I do still need to sign into the application itself so I can pull down all the software that I've collected over the years using this app. But y'all can see we're ready to go. I got my timeline here. I can load up my videos. Good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Now what I'm going to do, because this is another reason for me getting this tablet here, is if y'all didn't know, some of my main content creation devices for the channel are S7s. So I have a 128 gigabyte card in this S7, and I have a 128 gigabyte card in my S7 active, and then I have an S6 active that I use to record with as well. Now I'm going to take the SD card out of the S7 here, and I'm going to put it into the Amazon tablet, because this is going to be the main editing machine moving forward. And then this device will strictly become a content creation device. So what would happen is I would shoot on any one of my devices, and then I load it on the tablet to edit it and publish it. Okay, so that's how the whole creation process is going to go moving forward, and I think this is going to be really cool. Alright, I think I made this video long enough. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, y'all know what to do. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, this video was recorded with the S7 active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second with external audio hooked up. I'm using my clip-on microphone here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. All feedback is appreciated as always. Okay? And if this video piqued your interest, as I said, all the links to where y'all can pick this tablet up, as well as instructions to where you can sideload the Play Store, will be available down below in the video description. And please do remember, if you want to see continued coverage on this product right here, you do need to leave me some feedback down below in the comments. Let me know if you want to see another dedicated review on this right here, or any other videos you would like to see. Let me know. All right, hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.